Hello, this is just a quick video to show you how to get to the meetups for the live group coaching sessions. So I'm going to take you through a quick video and show you exactly where to go and what to do. All right, so first off, if you're logged in, you can just click here and you can go to library. When you click on library, you will get to this page over here. And this is where you go to your video course, the 12-week course. Then there is two members area. There's a free members area as well as for the paid members where they can see everything. So both of them works exactly the same way. It's just the amount of video recordings that will be different. And then also the amount of groups that you have access to ask questions is slightly different between the two of them. But to get to the meetups, I'm going to go to view product. Once you clicked on the view product, you'll get to the Refocus tribe. Once you're in here, you will see that you can either go down and you can go to the meetups over there if you are in the members area, or in the free members area, you'll see it over here. So you can also go live on this little button on the left. It will all go to the same place. But basically, if I go to the meetups, you can see all the recordings on this area over here. That's where you can see that. Here's all the upcoming meetings as well. So the Refocus Your Life, the Fast Track Hours, the boardroom sessions. And please remember to click on this little going button for the fast track, for the next fast track. Click here and you can also add it to your calendar over here, which is quite nice. It's a new feature. So you can then click over here and say going. And then once you click on this little live button over here, then it will ask you for some stuff like give access to your microphone, and you can test the microphone and all that kind of stuff. I'm just going to say no, not notify. But before you get to this, you probably have to give access to your video and your microphone. I'm going to skip the test, or you can run a test just to check all those things, check your connection and all of that stuff. Here you can switch on your camera and your mic, and you can say join the meeting, and that's how you actually can join the fast track meetings. Or if you clicked on the button that says go, you would also be able to you'll also receive an email announcement, and you can click on the email announcement and also go live that way. Right, hope this was good and you know where to go from now onwards. Looking forward to seeing you on the next tribe meeting. Thanks, bye-bye.